A store owner has 31.2 pounds of candy. If she splits the candy equally into 6 boxes, how many pounds of candy will each box contain? What are they asking? Well, we know this is a division problem from the title of the category. But we've got 31.2 split up into 6 boxes, meaning we're dividing by 6. And now let's just do the division. But remember, when we're dividing and we've got a decimal dividend, we got to make sure first things first to put that dot straight up top, right above the decimal down here. And now let's just do regular division. 6 goes into 31 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. Do the subtraction and we get 1, bring down the 2. 6 goes into 12 2 times. And we are done. So the answer is 5.2. I don't even have to worry about the decimal because I've lined everything up. I already put it up there, so there's no confusion. I'm not going to accidentally put 52. All right, now we've got $4.80 for 6 pounds of sugar. How much did she pay for each pound of sugar? So we want to know the price per pound. Whatever comes after the per, that's what we're dividing by. So we take the price per pound and we divide that price by 6. Before I do anything, I'm going to take that decimal, boom, plot it right on top. And now let's do our division. 6 goes into 48 8 times, right? I'm putting it over the last digit of the number we're dividing, 48. 8 times 6 is 48. And that's remainder of 0, and we're technically done. So we could just say 0.8, but the convention is with money that we want to have a 100 spot here, and since we're done dividing, we would just put a 0 there. If you want to try, you can bring the 0 down. It's the same thing. How many times does 6 go into 0? 0 times. It's the same idea, but we're done here. All you got to do is add a 0, and you're good. Okay, last question. The total price for 6 movie tickets is $71.40. If each ticket costs the same amount, how much does one movie ticket cost? We want the price per ticket. So we're dividing the price by the number of tickets. 71.4 divided by 6. We're going to put that dot straight up top, and let's do the division. 6 goes into 7 once. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract is 1. Bring down the 1. 6 goes into 11 once. Multiply, we got 6. Subtract, we got 5, bring down the 4. 6 goes into 54 9 times. 9 times 6 is 54, and we're done. But since we got a 0 here and we're done with the division, just add a 0 for good measure. And the price is $11.90.